Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Bosch dryer and you're getting an error E18. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So the error E18 is an indicator that there's a problem with your machine's temperature sensor. So it is not able to get a temperature reading properly. So this could be one of two reasons. Either there's an issue, your sensor is defective or broken, and the other thing could be an issue with the wiring. So what I would do, and actually before I would do anything, I would just try to do a hard reset on the machine. So just turn it off, leave it disconnected from power, either unplug it from the wall or at the circuit for a full minute, and then hook it back up and see if just doing that reset doesn't fix the error. And if it doesn't, you can get in and just check the wiring and see if the wires are hooked up properly. And if you don't see any issues with the wires, if all the wires look good, then you're probably just going to need to replace the temperature sensor, and you're going to need to have a professional come out and do that. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.